Hello and welcome back to Modulate. Today we're on top of the Rydges Hotel in Melbourne CBD where we've just finished this beautiful rooftop terrace bar. Now this just isn't a standard shipping container bar. In fact, this isn't even a shipping container at all. We've fabricated this based off the architectural designs that our clients applied to us. Now join me as we go through this very impressive, highly customized rooftop bar. The first thing you'll notice with this bar is how big and open it all feels. We've added these huge bifold windows down both sides and fitted this big aluminium awning window on the end. We removed all the glass out of all the windows and replaced it with this aluminium plate and welded on this decorative aluminium perforated mesh plate to the front surface, which you'll also see over the entire exterior of this build. Because of the large openings, we've had to engineer and fabricate a solid frame to support the upper portion of this structure. All four corner posts are made with 150 by 150 SHS, and we've welded on these heavy C-channel beams to the surface. Now these C-channel beams are just for decoration to fit in with the overall industrial look, but I guarantee you it helps with the overall strength of this frame. The external tiles that we've added around the lower parts of this bar are just beautiful. And the LED lighting that we've fitted under the servery benches light up these tiles and bring out the stunning orange colours. Once again, we've added this decorative C-channel which breaks up the tile patterns nicely. Our clients selected these tiles and all the features on this bar to match the existing tiles and features inside the Rydges Hotel, which has just been fully renovated inside. These custom bars are probably my favourite part of the whole build. We had a local contractor fit these down here so they didn't suffer any damage on the long trip from Newcastle down to Melbourne. There's so much decorative detail, like these galvanised trims and galvanised button head bolts, which really add to the appeal. Just behind the stone part of this bar, we've designed these custom stainless steel beer trays which incorporate the window track runner. These window tracks also double as a rainwater gutter when the bar's fully closed up. From the ground, this roof just looks like a normal square flat roof, but we've designed it to have an internal pitch fall down to one side. We've designed the gutter to run inside the roof cavity and then run inside a steel pipe which is welded inside the 150 by 150 SHS column. It pops out through the bottom directly into a storm water drain below the bar. We've dressed the door up to blend in with the rest of the wall, and we've added this electric activated key pass entry lock, which is the same system as the rest of the Rydges Hotel. Now stepping inside this beautiful bar, we'll start at the top and we'll work our way down. On the ceiling, we've added these two beautiful timber ceiling fans, along with down lights and a fire detection system. The insulation in the whole build is a 100mm thick, fire-resistant, rock wool type sandwich panel, which we've painted in the same bronze brown as the entire build. We've built these wine shelves using a lightweight SHS steel frame that we've welded into the overall frame of the bar. And we've added the same aluminium perforated mesh and plate on the front to finish it off and to protect the bottles. We routed grooves in the top layer of the shelf to run the LED lighting strips that shine upwards through the bottles for that nice colourful warm effect. All the stainless steel benches and underbench shelving is custom made and supplied by another Melbourne local contractor. These were installed after the bar was lifted up onto the rooftop. We did it this way because we needed to run all the beer and post-mix lines around the room before anything was installed. All these beer and post-mix lines are fixed to the hotel structure, so we needed to feed them in through the bar as the bar was getting lowered into its place. Once we laid the lines and enclosed them in this steel plinth that we fabricated to run around the room, our team laid the vinyl on site over the floor and over the steel plinth, ready for the stainless steel contractors to come and fit off all their benches. We're extremely happy and proud of the end result. This was a massive undertaking for everyone involved, from the building certification, the DA approvals, installation in the heart of Melbourne CBD, and just the overall design and building methods we've used to achieve what our client envisioned. If you have a project in mind that you'd like to discuss, no matter how big or small, give us a call or request a quote from our website. And like always, if you like this bar and you want to see more of our modular content, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next build.